Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Here I am, back at this white 850 wagon. Need the intake manifold. My intake manifold's damaged. The end piece on the end's coming out. And it looks like I might already have a NA intake manifold on Panther. Not sure. But it only got one hole like this one has, so that's a sign that it's a NA intake manifold. But when it's coming apart, it's coming apart. Gotta replace it or fix it. I'd rather replace it. Don't know why that end piece is coming out, so let's get started pulling this intake manifold. Well, I guess I'm moving on. Two screws broke off. The first two I tried to remove from this manifold broke off in the manifold. So I'm not going to take this manifold. I don't need no extra work. But I will take that electrical connector off of that compressor because the one on Panther is jacked up. I can splice that in. And take these little trim pieces from under the headlights for one of my buddies and move on to the next junkyard, because I think this is the only NA intake manifold out here. If you have a late 2015 Volvo 4-cylinder engine, your PCV box system should be replaced every 40,000 miles. If you fail to do that, you can cause probably pressure buildup in the engine and engine oil leaks. Then you got to fix the oil leaks, which is a lot more expensive than just the box. It's astronomical. So if you pull your engine cover off and you look at your PCV box, you'll see your engine code number. And is that the serial number? Yeah, serial number. If you see that still on your PCV box, that means your box is original, has never been replaced. So you may want to pull the engine cover if you're coming close to 40,000 miles. And if you see that, have your mechanic replace your PCV box, or you're going to be looking at oil leaks, a lot more expensive to take care of than just your PCV box system. And this is on the 4-cylinder engines from 2015 and a half up until now. And now is 2021. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.